We're dude perfect. Coach, hit him with a no-looker. Be glad to. Here we go. Woo! Nice shot. That was greatness. Garrett, have no fear, because Ty, the bowmaster, is here. Come on, Ty. Whoa! Right in the apple. All right, Coach. 3 in a row. Here we go. Number 1. Number 2. And do the good old number 3. Hey, get it, soccer man. We also do stuff with our feet. This is a soccer knockout shot. I got it, Garrett. Knock him out. No! Dude, you know, I feel like playing some darts. Maybe a blue one. Maybe Christmas time. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Finish this out, Ty. Time to go to the driving range. See, the driver should be perfect. Heads up, Coach. Oh. Yeah! Nice shot.